Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to turn off the hidden sleep mode, also known as quiet mode, on Facebook. If you aren't getting notifications in the morning or your app is telling you to focus, this setting is the culprit. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. Facebook hides this feature deep inside your personal usage stats, not the normal notification settings. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android. Tap on the menu button, the three horizontal lines, in the bottom right on iOS or top right on Android. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy to expand the menu, then tap Settings. Scroll down to the Preferences section and look for Your Time on Facebook. Note, if you don't see it, try searching Time or Quiet Mode in the search bar at the top of Settings. Now we can find the schedule that is muting your app. Inside the Your Time on Facebook menu, tap on Manage Your Time. You will see a toggle for Sleep Mode or Quiet Mode. If it is currently on, usually green or blue, simply tap the toggle to turn it to Off, which is gray. If you have a scheduled sleep mode set, for example 10 p.m. to 7 a.m., you can either delete the schedule entirely or toggle off the scheduled quiet mode switch. And that's it. You have now disabled sleep mode and regained full control over your notifications. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.